Okay, good day everyone. Today we will be discussing about the quantitative research method. So in this report, we will explain what is quantitative research method, the examples of the research methods, and how to use it in a real life. So we hope that after this presentation, you will have a clear understanding of how quantitative research works when it comes in solving problems using numbers and data. Okay. Quantitative research methods involve in collecting and analyzing numerical data to identify patterns, averages, make predictions, test relationships, and generalize results of broader populations. So, quantitative research is one of the type of variables. So, when we say quantitative research, it focuses on collecting and analyzing numerical data. It can be measurable or countable, and it helps us answer questions like how much, how many, or what is the relationship between two things. So it is very understandable and quantitative research because our respondents when we conduct research we always make sure that our respondents are we have larger respondents or bigger respondents. So quantitative research methods is important because it allows researchers to measure trends, test hypotheses, and make generalization based on facts and statistics. Okay, next. So the advantages of the qualitative research. So there is a relationship between the variables, generalized findings to larger population, test hypothesis, and make objective conclusions. So it allows for efficient data collection and analyze often through standardized methods. So no qualitative research method, there is also the advantage. Why? Because the number one is objective is bias, and it is very easy to analyze when we gather the data. It is already organized by using the graphs, tables, statistics for clear interpretation. So in that case, we can easily identify, we can easily give the interpretation in that specific problem of that research, and it is also efficient and time saving because some researchers only conduct on online surveys when it is in pandemic time, but when it we are now in the normal situation, so mostly the researchers gonna use an paper test questionnaires, or they gonna make questions through they gonna give the questionnaires personally. So that would be the advantages of the qualitative research method. So here, as you can see, there is also the example of the quantitative research method. So we have the correlational research, the descriptive research, the survey research, and the experimental research, and longitudinal survey. Okay, so that is all about the quantitative research methods. Okay, next. Ma'am Sheila May. Where is Ma'am Sheila May? Okay, Ma'am Nicey, you will be the one to discuss next.
Si Ma'am Sheila.
Not here,
another, but
okay,
it
Ma'am Sheila
cannot
May.
establish cause and effect. Example, a study of the relationship between social media usage and feelings of loneliness, where you might find a positive correlation but not necessarily that one two or more variables without manipulating them. Next, ma'am. It aims to determine if changes in one variable are associated with changes in one another, but it cannot establish cause and effect. Example, so next a study is of the relationship between social media usage, a type of research method that loneliness, where you might find a positive correlation but not necessarily that one causes the other. Using numerical data, next, ma'am. It relies on quantifiable data that can be analyzed statistically. Researchers observe and measure variables as they naturally occur without attempting to manipulate or control them. Example, a type of research method that aims describing the demographics of a target audience.
describe the
So
characteristics
demographics
of a population or
the word
phenomenon
demographics
using numerical data.
it means the
It
name of the
relies on
person and their
quantifiable
personal
data that can be
background.
analyzed
Next is the
statistically.
social science, analyzing the
Researchers observe
frequency of
and
a
measure
certain behaviors
variables
within a
as they
specific
naturally
population.
occur,
So when we
without
say
attempting to
frequency, it is the
manipulate
number
or
of
control them.
the
Example,
range of
market research,
describing the
certain behaviors of a
demographics of a
specific
target
population.
audience.
Next is
So
the public
demographics
health. The
describing
word
the
demographics,
prevalence
it
of a
means the
disease
name
within
of the
a
person
community.
and their
So since it
personal
is
background.
descriptive research, it
Next
is
is the
more
social
on
science,
giving
analyzing the
description of a
frequency of a
particular
certain behaviors within a
research.
specific
And that's it,
population.
ma'am. So when we say frequency, it is the number of um, the range of certain behaviors
Next,
of a specific
Ma'am
population.
Grace.
Next is the public health, describing the prevalence of a disease within a community. So since it is descriptive research, it is more on
Survey
giving
research is a
description of a
common method
particular
used in quantitative
research.
research to gather
And
data
that's
by
it, ma'am.
asking a predetermined set of questions to a sample of individuals. It is a versatile tool for collecting numerical data that can be analyzed to
next.
describe,
Ma'am
explain, or
Grace.
predict characteristics of larger population. The responses are often numerical or can be converted into numerical data, allowing for
Survey
statistical
research is a common
analysis. So there
method
are
used in quantitative
four
research to gather data by
common survey
asking a
methods.
predetermined
One
set of
is the
questions to a
online
sample of
surveys, paper
individuals. It is a
questionnaires,
versatile tool
telephone
for
surveys,
collecting numerical
face-to-face
data that can be
interviews. So
analyzed to
in
describe, explain, or predict characteristics of larger population.
and paper
The
online,
responses are often numerical or can
paper
be
online
converted into
surveys.
numerical data, allowing for statistical analysis. So there are four
It
common
needs
survey
of
methods. One
web-based
is the online
platforms, create,
surveys,
distribute,
paper
and analyze
questionnaires, and
telephone
paper
surveys,
questionnaires survey
face-to-face
is a method of
interviews.
gathering
So in
information where participants respond to questions
and we use it
and
what paper
is and what it
online.
is used
It
and
should
the last is the
paper
telephone
online
surveys is a type
surveys.
of research method that collects data. Example in telephone surveys,
It
market
needs
research,
of
so gathering consumers,
web-based
opinion
platforms,
on
create,
products or
distribute, and
services,
analyze health
questionnaires, and
services,
paper
service,
questionnaires survey is a
collecting
method
data on
of
health
gathering information
behaviors.
where
And the
participants
last is
respond to questions
face-to-face interview.
and we use
This
it
is
what
an
is and what it is used and
actual
the last is the telephone
personal
surveys is a
interview
type of
method of
research method
data
that collects
collection where
data.
researchers directly
Example
interviews
in
a
telephone
respondent
surveys,
in
market
person
research,
to
so
gather
gathering
information. So the
consumers, opinion on
advantages of
products
the
or
face-to-face
services,
service
health
is improved data
services,
quality,
service,
enhanced
collecting
understanding,
data on health
higher response
behaviors.
rates,
And the last
complex
is
questions, and
face-to-face
targeted
interview. This is
populations.
an
So example is
actual
usability testing of product.
personal
Researchers
interview
observe on
method of
users'
data
interaction
collection where
and easily
researchers
gathered
directly
feedback.
interviews the
A
next
respondent
is
in person to gather
experimental
information. So the
research.
advantages of the face-to-face service
Experimental
is
research
improved data
uses controlled
quality, enhanced
manipulation of
understanding,
variables to establish
higher
cause and
response
effect
rates,
relationship.
complex
It involves
questions, and
manipulating
targeted
an independent
populations.
variable to
So
observe
example
its
is
effect on a
usability
dependent
testing of
variable,
product.
often in a
Researchers observe
controlled
on
setting. This
users'
approach
interaction
allows
and
researchers to
easily
isolate
gathered
the
feedback.
impact of a
The next is
specific intervention or treatment.
experimental
The goal of
research. Experimental
is
research
to
uses
determine
controlled
if a change
manipulation
in
of
the
variables to establish
independent
cause and
variable
effect
causes
relationship.
a
It
change in the
involves
dependent
manipulating an
variable.
independent
So the primary
variable
use
to
of
observe
experimental
its
research
effect
is
on a
to
dependent
identify
variable, often
causal
in a controlled
relationships
setting. This
by
approach allows
manipulating the
researchers to
independent
isolate the
variable
impact of a
and observe changes
specific
in the
intervention
dependent
or
variables.
treatment.
Example,
The goal of
whereas the drug
experimental
development
research
experimental
is
research
to
can help
determine if a
determine
change
if
in
the
the
independent
medication
variable
effectively
causes a
treats
change
a
in the
specific
dependent
disease.
variable. So the primary use of experimental research is to identify
And
causal
last is
relationships by manipulating the independent
that would be
variable and
all.
observe
Our
changes in the
experimental research is
dependent
crucial for
variables.
establishing cause and
Example,
effect
whereas the
relationships.
drug
It helps
development
determine if one
experimental
variable
research can
directly
help
influences
determine
another.
if a new
Testing hypothesis,
medication effectively
researchers
treats
can test
a specific
specific
disease.
prediction.
About how variables interact. Evaluating
And
intervention.
last
It
is
helps determine the effectiveness of the treatments, programs, or
that would be
policies.
all.
Improving decision
Our
making
experimental
by
research is
providing
crucial for establishing
evidence-based
cause and effect
insights.
relationships,
It helps
and
determine if
it
one
can
variable
inform
directly
better
influences another.
strategies Testing
and
hypothesis,
practices.
researchers can test
And
specific
that would
predictions
be all.
about how variables interact. Evaluating interventions, it helps determine the effectiveness of the treatments,
Yes,
programs, or
next.
policies. Improving decision making by providing evidence-based insights.
And it can inform better strategies and
Yes. Okay,
practices.
okay.
And that would be all.
Yes, next. Yes. Okay, okay. Okay. Ikaw na, ma'am. Nicey.
The strength of the longitudinal studies is, the first one is, we have here the identify cause and effect relationship. So kani siya nga pamaagi kay gamit kay siya sa research kay diha
Ikaw
nato
na,
ma-track kung
ma'am.
unsay dagan sa panahon ang changes niya over time. Like for
Nicey.
example, no, ako nang ditsuon tanan ditso na ta sa example gikan sa identify the cause and effect relationship. Like for example, ang usa ka tawo nga gasige siyang panigarilyo, from time to time makita nato ang iyang changes nganong naunsa siya kung magamit og strength of longitudinal studies. The next is the understand dynamic process. This allow researchers to observe how variables change over time. Dynamic process. Riha ra gyapon akong giingon no nga magamit siya kung ako ang gihatag nga example is kanang tawo nga manigarilyo gikan sa iyang edad nga gamay pa yang edad or bata pa siya nga nagamit siya nga sigarilyo, then makita na to ang iyang cause ug effect niya nga hantod-hantod nga naay changes sa iyang changes sa iyang dili lang sa iyang physical kundi po sa iyang mind ug sa iya pong mga features niya. The next is the track individual development. It also can track the development of individuals over time and identify pattern or trends specific to those individuals. Oto kong giingon jud nga ma-track nimo ang individual development sa ingon ani nga pamaagi makita nato kung unsay naabay sa changes over period of time. Then next one is the data richness. Often provide a rich source of data allowing for detailed analysis and exploring various. Next, ma'am. Palihog ko, ma'am. Okay, then the next one is okay. Next, the next one is the limitation of longitudinal studies. The time-consuming expenses is that it is the studies required significant time and research to conduct. Pasagdan lang bitaw nga kinahanglan og imong plano is kani significant time nga i-conduct nato ni nga i-conduct nato nga research. Then next is kaning participant dropout. Kalagmitan ani is kanang participant may drop out of the study over time. Wala sila kasabot ana nga particular nga area, so kinahanglan sila mangita sila way nga makabalhin sila either na leading to a smaller or potentially biased sample. Then the next one is the practice effects. Repeated testing can lead to the participant becoming familiar with